Right, here's Meg.
Hi.
Modelling the new Cycology Sarina inspired ride and seat kit. We just thought we'd give you a quick sort of idea of what she's done here. Tour of the Jersey. So it's basically showing off the 12 epics that we've got on the program in the next couple of years. And it's a amalgamation of all the various different symbols and some really inspiring messaging. If I get Meg to do a little bit of a tour, you've got, let's have a look, you've got the Appalachian Trail here, Conquest of the Moors, which is taking us down into Morocco and Spain and Portugal. The original tour up here, the Hannibal Elephant, Barcelona to Rome. Marco Polo, which is always been our most ambitious program thus far, is Venice to Athens. A lot of just general great messaging from Sarina. Oxygen for the soul. The best holidays are on bikes. She's really captured the vibe that we're wanting to show with these tours. Our Strzelecki tour, first Australian epic, Sydney to Hobart, with the various, well, obviously the climb Mount Kosciuszko, Mount Hotham, sort of some of the highlights of each tour. The longest of the tours, which is here, which is Napoleon, Paris to St. Petersburg. Cracker, the detail is incredible.
So much detail. Fantastic.
So yeah, every one of the tours is covered, and we're just delighted that yeah, Sarina's, well, yeah, just so grateful to Sarina and Cycology for creating this jersey for us, and we look forward to wearing it with pride on all the tours in 2021. Thanks, Meg.